How can smart money management help you achieve your financial goals? Achieving the vision-aimed financial goals seems like a drift these days. Whether it's saving for retirement, purchasing a dream home, or starting a business, smart money management is the key to turning aspirations into reality. Today's blog is emphasized how great financial practice can take you a long way to success in terms of financial puzzles and achieving long-term goals. Setting clear financial goals. It is important to set specific and clear goals that include finding both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals will include paying credit card debts, whereas long-term goals will include saving for your retirement. By establishing these goals, individuals gain clarity and direction, enabling them to make informed financial decisions. Creating a realistic budget. A budget serves as the foundation for smart money management. It allows individuals to track their income and expenses, ensuring that their spending aligns with their financial goals. Creating a realistic budget involves analyzing income sources, categorizing expenses, and allocating funds accordingly. Through proper budgeting, individuals gain control over their finances, avoid overspending, and have a clear roadmap to achieve their objectives. Managing debt wisely. Debt can hinder financial progress if not managed properly. Smart money management involves adopting strategies to effectively handle debt. This includes prioritizing high-interest debt, exploring options for consolidation or refinancing, and making consistent payments to reduce outstanding balances. By managing debt wisely, individuals can minimize interest payments, improve credit scores, and free up financial resources for other purposes. Building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected events, and having an emergency fund is vital for financial security. A smart money manager recognizes the importance of setting aside funds for unforeseen circumstances such as medical emergencies, job loss, or major repairs. By consistently contributing to an emergency fund, individuals can navigate these challenges without jeopardizing their financial stability. Investing for the future. Investing plays a crucial role in wealth creation and achieving long-term financial goals. Smart money management involves understanding different investment options, assessing risk tolerance, and diversifying portfolios. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, investing wisely can generate passive income, provide capital appreciation, and build wealth over time. Minimizing expenses and maximizing savings. One of the fundamental principles of smart money management is finding ways to reduce expenses and maximize savings. This involves analyzing spending habits, cutting unnecessary costs, and exploring opportunities for saving, such as negotiating better deals on utilities, groceries, or insurance. Small changes in daily spending habits can lead to significant savings over time. Continual learning and financial education. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, making it essential for individuals to stay informed and educated. Smart money managers understand the value of continuous learning. This may involve reading books on personal finance, attending workshops or webinars, or consulting with financial advisors. By staying updated and knowledgeable, individuals can make informed financial decisions and adapt to changing economic conditions. Conclusion. Achieving financial goals requires a proactive approach and the implementation of smart money management techniques. By setting clear goals, creating realistic budgets, managing debt wisely, building emergency funds, investing strategically, minimizing expenses, and continually learning, individuals can pave the way toward financial success. Remember, the journey to financial prosperity is a marathon, not a sprint. With discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to smart money management, anyone can achieve their financial aspirations and secure a brighter future.